County in central Oklahoma until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Okarche, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Northwestern Oklahoma City, Reno, Kingfisher, Yukon, Piedmont, Okarche, Concho, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded